Okay, I'm going to quickly show you how to install the Sowash oral irrigator. This tap will actually rotate, so I can actually show you the fittings quite easily. So first of all, you need to make sure your tap has got this sort of removable filter sort of system. Now I have loosened this already with a spanner, so that will come straight out. So depending on the sort of tap fitting you have, you'll need this to go in there, or if it's like an external thread on the end of the tap, more like a kitchen sort of tap, you'll use that fitting. But you need, on this tap, it's going to be this one. Put the filter in, and then put the washer on top there. Just put that in, screw that in, just hand tight, and then you're good to go. Once that's in, you then take the little handset there, put that into the end, turn it, I don't know, 1/8 of a turn, not even that, and then you're good to go. And the pressure that this fires out is pretty impressive, really. And you can obviously adjust the temperature on your tap to suit, so you don't want cold water blasting around your teeth, put a little bit of warm in. And obviously you don't run out of water. No power to worry about with the batteries or recharging. So yeah, that's pretty good. And then to remove, it's simple as that, and you just let the water drain out. So there you go. I hope that was useful for you.